Good morning, everybody. This is what is happening right now in Trade Fair Complex, Badagry Expressway. Demolition is ongoing by the government. Why this demolition? These are people's property. Millions of naira being demolished. This our government should please help the masses, because this demolition is going out of hand. I don't know what to say concerning this. In fact, I'm speechless. Please, the authorities should tamper justice with mercy. Give all these people second chance. At least give them a table of negotiation and ask them, invite them over. These are where many people are working. These are where employment, this edifice you are seeing, it helps create employment in the country. Please, our government, you people can do better than this. Thank you. God bless you all. Long live Nigeria and long live Lagos State.